Today, we're building a super agent that watches for new leads, sends them a warm email, logs their details in Google Sheets, and pings the business owner on WhatsApp, all automatically. And here's the thing, business owners will pay you to build this for them. We're building this with Base 44, and you don't need to write a single line of code. If you still don't have an account, the link is in the description. It's free to get started, and you won't even need a credit card. Just sign in with your email and follow along. And in just a couple of minutes, you'll have your own version of this agent up and running. All right, ready? Let's get into it. Step 1. Typeform. First, we need a form for leads to fill out. I'm using Typeform. The free account works fine for this. I set up 4 fields: name, email, what they need, and when they need it by. You can customize the questions to fit whatever business you're building this for, but these 4 are really all the agent needs to do its job. I've already got mine ready, so we'll move on to building the agents that will handle everything I mentioned earlier. Step 2. Create the Base 44 super agents. Now, go to Base 44, the link is in the description. Once you're in, create a new super agents. This is where we'll write the instructions that will tell it what to do every time a new form submission comes in. Step 3. The prompts. Now, this next step is what makes this whole thing work. Instead of connecting integrations manually, I just type this directly into the chat. I want you to watch for new Typeform submissions. These are leads from people interested in working with me. When a new response comes in, do all 3 of these things. Send a warm personalized email to the lead via Gmail using their name and what they wrote. Add their details as a new row in Google Sheets and send a WhatsApp message to me with a lead summary. Do this automatically for every new submission. Do not send duplicates. Once I submitted that, Base 44 automatically suggested the integrations: Typeform, Gmail, Google Sheets, and WhatsApp. Pretty incredible, right? All I had to do was choose the corresponding accounts and authorize them. It also asked me whether I have an existing Google Sheets file or if I want to create a new one. I just told it to create a new one and name it Leads Monitoring, and it set that up automatically. I've already connected my WhatsApp previously, so it didn't ask me to set it up again. But if you haven't done that yet, just click Continue on WhatsApp on the left side, and it will walk you through the steps. It only takes about a minute. You might also be wondering about the tone of the emails. By default, if you don't give any instructions, the agent's replies can sound a bit generic or overly AI generated. If you'd like the emails to sound more like the business owner, or if you simply have a preferred tone, there are 2 easy ways to customize that. You can either type it straight into the chat, or go to Customize, then Personalization, and edit about the agents. For example, you could say something like, write replies in a warm, friendly tone like a real person responding, not a company sending an automated message. Always use the lead's first name in the greeting. Reference something specific from what they wrote so it doesn't feel templated. Keep sentences short and easy to read. Avoid corporate phrases like, we appreciate your interest, or your inquiry has been received. You can also paste in a few examples of emails the business owner has sent before so the agent can get a better sense of how he or she naturally writes. And speaking of how the agent works behind the scenes, you'll notice it says it checks for new submissions every 10 minutes. That's just how Typeform works. It doesn't support webhooks, so the agents can get an instant ping when someone fills out the form. It has to check on a schedule instead. Honestly though, 10 minutes is fast enough for most businesses. And if you want it even quicker, you can ask the agent to check every 5 minutes. And that's it. The agent is ready. Step 4. Live tests. But of course, we have to make sure it actually works. So I filled out the form as a test lead. Jake Morrison, a digital marketing agency owner who needs help managing his social media. And within minutes, Jake got a personalized email referencing exactly what he wrote. His details showed up as a new row in Google Sheets, and I got a WhatsApp summary straight to my phone. Everything fired exactly as it should. And that brings up one last thing you'll want to keep in mind as you'll start building your own agents: credits. Base 44 uses 2 types of credits. Message credits are consumed while you're chatting with the AI and setting things up. Integration credits, on the other hand, are used when the agent actually performs an action, like checking Gmail, running scheduled tasks, or sending the WhatsApp message we just received. The best approach is to do your testing while you have plenty of credits available. Keep your instructions clear and focused, and use the Tasks tab to let the agent run on schedule rather than manually chatting with it every time something needs to happen. Oh, and speaking of the Tasks tab, this is also where you'll find how many credits each task has used, in case you want to track that. Alright, and that pretty much covers everything you need to know. This whole build took me about 20 minutes, a Typeform, one prompt, and a few connected accounts. And that's all it took to set up a fully automated lead reply system. Incredible, right? Now, think about who might need this. A local photographer missing inquiries while they're on a shoot, or maybe a coach who gets leads on weekends and forgets to follow up on Monday. A small cleaning business that relies on referrals and has no follow-up system at all. These are real businesses losing leads simply because nobody replied fast enough. You can build this for them. Charge a setup fee to get it running, then offer a monthly retainer to maintain it. And that is a recurring income stream from 20 minutes of work. And if a client wants more control over what goes out, it's a one-line change in the prompt. And instead of sending the email automatically, tell the agent to save it as a Gmail draft. The reply still gets written, they just review it before it goes out. It's the same bill, just with one small adjustment. So, if you're ready to start building, the link to Base 44 is in the description. If you're planning to keep the agent active long-term, I'd recommend the Builder plan on yearly billing. The Builder plan gives you 10,000 integration credits per month, which is enough to keep an agent running in the background. On yearly billing, it comes down to $40 a month, and if you upgrade within your first 48 hours of signing up, you get an extra 10% off, bringing it to around $35 a month. For an agent running every single day, that is a solid deal. And if this got you interested in what else you can build, I got more Base 44 videos on the channel. Just click right here to see me build another cool app with Base 44, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.